The 7 layers of unlearning the ego.
Most life strategies were not consciously chosen. They were installed as reward prediction mechanisms. If I do this, I will receive value, validation, or vulnerability.
But here's the uncomfortable truth: many of these strategies are not solutions.
They are delayed self-betrayal. They promise connection, but produce disconnection from the self. The 7 layers. This is not just a framework. It's a deconstruction sequence. Layer 1, the strategy, what you do.
This is the visible behavior. Examples across life areas: work, overperforming, people-pleasing your boss and clients, never resting. Relationships, overgiving, avoiding conflict, walking on eggshells. Self, overthinking, perfectionism, emotional suppression. These strategies look functional,
but they are driven by fear-based prediction. Layer 2, the promised reward.
Every strategy exists because it promises something. Usually one of the 3 V's: value, I matter.
Validation, I am approved. Vulnerability, I am connected.
Example, I work harder than everyone else.
Promise, I will be valued and respected. Layer 3, the hidden contract. Here's where it gets real. Every strategy has an unconscious contract: I will abandon myself,
so I won't be abandoned by others.
Examples, if I don't upset anyone, I will be safe. If I prove my worth, I won't be rejected.
If I stay quiet, I won't be criticized.
This is the beggar archetype negotiating for breadcrumbs.
Layer 4, the actual outcome, reality check.
Now we strip the illusion.
Does the strategy actually deliver? Let's be honest, we apply pleasing because this strategy promises us love, while in reality it leads to the opposite: resentment. We apply overworking because this strategy promises us worth, while in reality it leads to exhaustion.
We apply conflict avoiding because this strategy promises us safety, while in reality it leads to the opposite: disconnection. We apply perfectionism because this strategy promises us approval, while in reality it leads to the opposite: anxiety, etc., etc.
We can make this list endless, but you will get the idea by now for sure.
The strategy fails its own promise. This is the moment most of us avoid, because seeing this clearly
means the ego has no argument left. Layer 5, the cost to the self, IPS or inner peace state damage. Now we expose the real damage. What does this strategy cost you internally?
Loss of inner peace,
chronic tension, anxiety, identity confusion, emotional exhaustion,
disconnection from intuition. Let this land: you didn't lose yourself, but what you did do, you traded yourself.
Layer 6, the origin, memory plus prediction loop.
Now we go deeper. This strategy didn't come out of nowhere.
It was learned when love felt conditional,
safety felt unstable, approval felt required for survival. The brain created a rule: this is how I survive. And it kept running it. Not because it works, but because it is familiar and predictable.
Layer 7, the unlearning shift, bonus state.
Now we move out of the loop. Not by fixing the strategy, but by withdrawing belief in it.
This is the shift: this strategy does not lead where it promised.
And then, new position: you as the bonus being or blessing to yourself. Value becomes self-generated. Validation becomes irrelevant.
Vulnerability is chosen, not begged for. And remember our famous one-liner: if I settle for less, my life becomes a mess.